In this video, we can talk about top 5 Gravatar alternatives and competitors. Hey all, great to have you back on our Alternatives channel to finding amazing alternatives to your favorite tools and software. If you've been on the hunt for alternatives to Gravatar, the popular avatar creation tool, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be diving into the realm of avatar creation and presenting you with the top 5 best alternatives of Gravatar, which are Avatar Maker, Lordicon, Ready Player Me, Avachara, and Avatoon to help you stand out and personalize your online presence. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Our first alternative is Avatar Maker. Avatar Maker is a fantastic tool that will help you unleash your creativity by allowing you to design personalized avatars instantly. It offers excellent features like multiple customization options, multi-format support, and abstract designs. This fantastic tool offers an extensive range of customization options, from facial features to hairstyles, allowing you to create an avatar that is as distinct as you are. And one of its standout features is its vast library of accessories and backgrounds that will make your avatar truly one of a kind. Next up, we have Lordicon. Lordicon takes avatar creation to a whole new level by offering a collection of animated icons that you can use as your avatar. It offers features like animated icons, consistent visuals, and custom web element. The captivating animations generated by Lordicon are perfect for adding a touch of dynamism to your online presence. And not to forget, it comes with a standout feature which lies in its mesmerizing and eye-catching animated avatars that are sure to grab attention wherever you go. Now let's talk about Ready Player Me. Ready Player Me is a cutting-edge tool that revolutionizes avatar creation by using photorealistic 3D models. It offers exciting features like 2D and 3D avatars, high-resolution avatars, and a built-in library. With Ready Player Me, you can transform yourself into a lifelike avatar that closely resembles your actual appearance. And its standout feature lies in its ability to create highly realistic avatars that make you feel like you've stepped right into the digital world. Moving on to our fourth alternative, we have Avachara. Avachara is a user-friendly avatar creation tool that offers a wide range of customization options to let you create manga-style avatars. It comes with features like clip art, portrait maker, and traditional manga elements. From facial features to outfits, Avachara allows you to create avatars that reflect your unique style. The standout feature of Avachara is its simplicity and intuitive interface, making it a breeze to design your perfect avatar in just a few clicks. Last but certainly not least, we have Avatoon. Avatoon is a powerful avatar creation tool that lets you transform yourself into a captivating cartoon character. It offers features like avatar customization, character maker, and avatar snapshots. With a vast array of customization options, Avatoon will help your audience see how unique your content really is. Also, this tool comes with a standout feature which is its ability to transform your ordinary photos into animated avatars, giving your online presence a playful and lively touch. When comparing the alternatives to Gravatar, Avatar Maker offers a more extensive range of customization options, allowing you to create avatars with precise details, while Lordicon stands out by offering a collection of animated icons that can serve as your avatar. Ready Player Me, on the other hand, offers photorealistic 3D models that can help you to step into the digital world with highly realistic avatars and enhance your online persona. Avachara empowers you to create avatars that reflect your personal style, from facial features to outfits. It's an excellent choice for those who desire a personalized touch with ease of use. Lastly, you have Avatoon, that injects a dose of creativity and vibrancy and adds a playful and lively dimension to your online presence. After comparing these alternatives to Gravatar, it's clear that each option brings its own unique features. But if we had to choose the best alternative to Gravatar, we would definitely recommend Avatoon. With Avatoon, you have the power to transform your ordinary photos into animated avatars, breathing life into your online persona. This exceptional feature allows you to express your personality in a dynamic and eye-catching manner, making your avatars truly stand out from the crowd. Remember, personalization is the key to standing out in the digital world, so choose the alternative that resonates with your style and unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.